All right, we're going to take a look at some more things dealing with fractions, and we're going to look at some special fractions. But let me remind you of something. You have a numerator over a denominator. And although this can mean how many parts out of how many total parts, it can also imply division. It is the numerator, and I'm going to abbreviate, divided by the denominator. It is always the top divided by the bottom. So there are three special things that I want to look at. Suppose we have n over n. That's equal to 1 for any whole number as long as it's not 0. So in other words, if I have 5 over 5, 7 over 7, any number over itself, with the exception of 0, is equal to 1. Now, what if 0 is involved? If 0 is in the numerator, so you're taking 0 divided by some number. For example, 0 divided by 5, or 0 divided by 7, or 0 divided by 352. Any of those will be equal to 0. So if the numerator is 0, it's equal to 0. But if the denominator is 0, if you have a number divided by 0, this is not defined for any whole number. In other words, if you have 5 over 0 or 7 over 0, those are undefined. If you were to even try it on a calculator, it would give you an error message. Now, how are you going to remember which one is equal to 0 and which one is undefined? It is the placement of the 0. If the 0 is over the fraction line, well, over starts with O, which looks like a 0. If the 0 is under denominator, under starts with UND, and the word undefined starts with UND. That's not a mathematical way to remember that. It's just something that might be helpful. Okay, let's simplify each one of these. Problem number 1, 0 divided by 10, 0 over 10. It's over. When it's over, it's equal to 0. So you will choose A and then put in a value of 0. 57 divided by 57, any number over itself, is equal to 1. So you'll choose A and put a 1. Number 3, 0 over 260. Over is equal to 0. So it's A, 0. And I'm not sure what's going on with the numbering here. I'm going to call this number 4. And this is 0 divided by 10. 0 is on top. It's over. So it's equal to 0. This would be example 5. Did I accidentally repeat these? I'm thinking maybe I did. Yes. All right, so I'm sorry, there was repetition in there. Skipping to number 5. 0 over 4, it's over, so it's equal to 0. 33 over 33, any number over itself, is equal to 1. 0 over 271, it's on top, it's over. Over starts with an O, which looks like a 0. 1110 over 10, over 0, I'm sorry. The 0 is under. Under will remind you it is undefined. So I'm sorry about the crazy numbering system here. I accidentally repeated questions 1, 2, and 3 when I did some copy and paste, and I guess I skipped a number 4. But nevertheless, I think we had plenty of opportunities to practice. Your rules are right here. These are the 3 special fractions. Any number over itself is 1. 0 over gives you 0. 0 under is undefined. Not defined can be written as undefined. Okay, take care of these few questions.